My Trilivy order arrived, so let's unbox it together. There are 20 boxes that come in a month's order. Features a variety of sweet and savory flavor profiles, from creamy cocoa and vanilla notes to savory herbs and spices. Trilivy Reset Fuelings bring delicious variety to your journey toward optimal metabolic health. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what Reset Fuelings we have in our order today. All right, the first fueling I have is the strawberry shake mix. We got the blueberry muffin mix, silky chocolate pudding mix, another strawberry shake mix, cinnamon swirl mug cake mix, blueberry muffin mix. It's actually another blueberry muffin mix. The classic creamy vanilla shake mix, the cafe cappuccino mix. We got the cinnamon swirl mug cake mix, the hearty chicken flavored noodle soup mix, the creamy chocolate shake mix, chocolate brownie mug cake mix, another hearty chicken flavored noodle soup, a creamy classic vanilla shake mix. Got 2 maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Here is another brownie, another chocolate shake, and the last 2 is the chocolate chip pancake mix. Here's all 20 boxes of the fuelings. Let me just double check. 3, 6, 9, 18, and 20. With these new reset fuelings, they will coincide with our 4 and 2, 4 and 2 active, 5 and 1, and 5 and 1 active plans. Nutrition profiles between all of them are very similar, so they are interchangeable when you do have them on program. The major difference between these and the essential Optavia fuelings, each serving is formulated with MetaVantage technology, proprietary approach designed to further support metabolic health. But with MetaVantage technology, there's 3 science-based ingredients that support improvements in metabolic health. The nutritional blueprints, they are all nutrient dense. They have high quality complete protein. They're all interchangeable. There's 24 essential vitamins and minerals. There's prebiotics and probiotics, and no flavors, colors, or sweeteners from artificial sources. With the new MetaVantage Reset formula, it is clinically studied postbiotic, helps support a reduced waist circumference. Chromium picolinate helps maintain healthy insulin function, and choline, which supports normal fat metabolism. If you would like some updates or information from me and you are interested in this program, I will also post my LinkTree, which will also have some information on how to get connected with me if you are wanting to know a little bit more about how this program works and how it can work for you as well. I do have a 3-minute metabolic quiz. It tells you exactly where you are on the metabolic frame. And when I took it, I was completely in the red areas. That really enticed me to really hone in and really get back on track with my own health journey. So as of right now, I am currently on the 5 and 1 reset. And then starting tomorrow, I will be adding some of these new Trilivy reset fuelings into my own program. Meantime, I will continue to post more videos on my YouTube channel. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. If you are on program and you're watching this, I do have a Facebook group for those of us who are on Trilivy called Together We Transform. And, I post recipes, motivation, and just some engagement posts to get the community together. And if you're new to this page, welcome. Welcome to my page. Welcome to the Trilivy plan. And if you have any questions about the program itself, all my information will be in the description box, but feel free to email me, feel free to comment down below, and I'll make sure to get back to those comments as well. I cannot wait to try these. Maybe I'll do another video of me trying some of the meals. For right now, I'm just excited to try them, and I will be adding these in tomorrow morning. Which one should I try first? I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm a coffee person, so I don't know if I want to try the cappuccino for my first fueling, or you know what? There's a pancake one. Yes, the chocolate chip pancake mix. Gonna have that tomorrow with my cold brew in the morning, and it's gonna be a nice fresh start to the day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to follow and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.